Hi, this is Valery, and this is Dashly YouTube channel where we share a lot of hacks and secrets how to boost your business. I'm pretty sure there are a lot of situations in your business when you spend a lot of money on some resources, you spend a lot of time on creating something, but this doesn't work. And quite a lot of times this happens to lead magnets, that part of your website where you're trying to generate a lot of customers for your business. So this video is about 5 mistakes you might be making that are stopping you from getting more customers on your website. Let's start. Mistake number 1. You're generating the traffic that is not really associated with your business. So there are lots of people who are coming to your website and start signing up or sharing their contact details, but actually this traffic is never relevant to what you sell or what you offer. So which means you're going to investigate and audit your traffic sources in order to understand whether you're actually getting the right people on your website or not. This inevitably affects leads generation on your website. Mistake number 2. Your lead magnet is not valuable enough. Like, the potential customers are expecting to get something really nice and valuable. Like, they're going to read it the next 1 minute and they're going to implement something in their life so that it becomes better. But your lead magnet is actually a waste of time. It looks promising probably, but in reality it is not. Fix that. Make sure that you are giving the lead magnets that people are going to get and they want to get it. So like, they're sharing their contact details with you and they're rushing to their email box to read that PDF. So that's how they're getting good experience, and that's how they're planning to go back to your website and get to know you better. Now this is mistake number 3. Your lead magnet is getting a lot of value, and that's where your product is not needed. Like, the client, the potential client, has already received all the necessary information in the lead magnet. So what's the point of getting back to you? Yeah, so make sure your lead magnet is fueling the interest to your company and to what you are offering, so that people read it, understand that you are an expert and you can improve their life, and they are going to go back to you and start communicating with you. So you're going to kind of leave your audience a bit hungry or thirsty so that they go back to you. Mistake number 4. You have a lead magnet, so you generate the customers on your website, you're getting the contact details, but that's where the communication chain ends. Like, you share some information with them via email, or probably you're giving them something on the spot, but you're not communicating with them further. Like 3 days later, 1 week later, they're not included in the newsletter, whatever. So what's the point of getting contact information if you're not going to use it? Yeah. So make sure you have the communication chain and you involve the potential customer into the communication with you, which is pretty much valuable for both the potential customer and your business. Mistake number 5. The lead magnet, the information that you're planning to share for free, is not relevant to your product. Like, imagine the situation, you're selling cornflakes and you're offering a recipe of lasagna for free. So there is no connection between cornflakes and lasagna, right? So the digital products that you are sharing for free with your potential customers are definitely going to be pretty much connected with the products or the services you are offering. And there is a bonus mistake, if I may put it so. A lead magnet is actually not a necessary thing on your website, so you shouldn't focus on it a lot. If your website doesn't need a lead magnet, if you're not planning to generate a lot of customers with the lead magnet, like your website does it, your name does it, your brand does it. So there is no need in investing some resources for creating a lead magnet. Just leave it. Don't do it. In other words, to start selling, you need to start communicating with your potential customers. It is not necessarily a lead magnet. There are plenty of other ways you can generate leads on your website. My favorite is a chatbot. So that is a pretty much native way to start talking with your audience, start talking with your traffic, and you can start talking to thousands of people at a time without actually involving your support or sales team. Like, configure a chatbot once and enjoy it for a really long time, and enjoy the iteration process, the experiments, etc. What's more, a chatbot gives you plenty of analytics so that you can improve it day by day. So now majority of businesses start creating chatbots on their website, and that is much cheaper if we're speaking about time and money needed for creating a chatbot and time and money needed for creating a lead magnet, like a really nice lead magnet, which may take the time of the editors, designers, and some other resources. Like, a chatbot is created under 20 minutes maximum. So my advice, enjoy chatbot conversation on your website for getting more leads on your website. Do I mean to say that a lead magnet is something that we forget forever? No, of course it's not. So I'm sure at some places of the customer communication, a lead magnet works best of all, while some points of the funnel need a chatbot. Well, of course, the first thing that you need to do is analyze the customer journey, and I've already shared all the information about the customer journey with you, so the link is here. And then you're going to decide which one is best, a lead magnet or a chatbot. So that is it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we are going to share even more hacks for your business pretty soon. See you!